Ever scroll for just a minute before bed and suddenly it's 3 a.m.? Then you wake up 6 hours later, eyes burning, brain fogged, and you think, I'll sleep early tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. Meanwhile, some people sleep just 5 hours and feel amazing. How do they do it? Today, you'll learn how to hack your sleep so even 5-6 hours can feel like a full night's rest. Here's the truth. It's not about hours, it's about quality. Your brain goes through 5 sleep stages every 90 minutes. Deep sleep, body repair, muscles, immune system recharge. REM sleep, memory, creativity, focus. When your cycles are clean, 5 to 6 hours is enough. But stress, blue light, caffeine, and even 9 hours can leave you feeling dead. Goal: maximize deep and REM sleep per hour. Step 1. Sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even weekends. Your brain loves consistency. Example: sleep 11 p.m., wake 5:30 a.m. Stanford studies show irregular schedules shorten deep sleep. Consistency equals automatic morning energy. Step 2. 90-minute rule. Each sleep cycle is 90 minutes. Wake mid-cycle, groggy. Wake after a full cycle, alert. Plan sleep in multiples. 4.5 hours equals 3 cycles. 6 hours equals 4 cycles. 7.5 hours equals 5 cycles. Set your alarm for cycle completion, not random times. Step 3. Pre-sleep shutdown. Last hour before bed is crucial. Try this. 3 hours before bed, no heavy meals. 2 hours before bed, no work or stress. 1 hour before bed, no screens. Use dim lights. Do calm habits, gratitude journaling, meditation, light stretching, slow music, 60 to 80 BPM. Signal to your brain it's rest time. Step 4. Morning light and movement. Step outside first thing, no phone. Sunlight resets your circadian rhythm and boosts serotonin. Then, cold water on your face or a quick exercise. Push-ups, jumping jacks, anything to raise your heart rate. Dopamine and norepinephrine spike. Grogginess? Gone. Energy? Instantly. Advanced sleep hacks. Caffeine cutoff. No caffeine after 2 p.m. It blocks deep sleep. Sleep environment. Cool, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Dark, quiet. Sleep mask or white noise helps. Supplements, magnesium or ashwagandha. Consult a doctor first. Mental declutter. Write down racing thoughts. Switch your brain from awake beta waves to sleep-ready alpha and theta waves. Mindset shift. Sleep isn't weakness, it's a performance tool. Master efficient recovery, not brag about sleeping 4 hours. Success is waking clear, calm, focused. Optimize sleep. Reclaim energy. Wake up powerful every day. Try these tonight and feel the difference. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Next week, how to stay awake all day without caffeine.